How did you use new media technologies in the construction and research, planning and evaluation stages? Firstly, I need to explain what new media technologies are. They focus on digital technologies such as hardware, for example, iPhone, laptop, iMacs, and software being things such as Adobe Fireworks, Final Cut Pro, and other editing softwares. Here are some of the technologies I have used: YouTube, SurveyMonkey, Google Search Engine, Final Cut Pro, iPhone, Blogger, SlideShare, Piktochart, Prezi, PowerPoint, iMac, and Adobe Fireworks. YouTube is where I uploaded my ideas and final products to. I used YouTube to upload a clip of a trial run which I could then show to my class to receive feedback. This was used throughout the whole process. I also used it to look up artists and research them to help me construct my ideas for my music video. Once uploading footage to YouTube, I then embedded the clip onto my blog. SurveyMonkey was a very useful piece of software as it helped me to gather feedback from my peers anonymously. It also revealed what my target audience was interested in and what they wanted to see, so therefore it gave me a focus for my video. Google Search Engine. I used this a lot whilst creating my blog as it gave me lots of information for artist research and led me to different softwares which I have used to present my work in a creative way, such as Prezi, SlideShare, Piktochart, etc. Furthermore, it gave me access for some of the images I've used on my blog to support my text and make it visually interesting and easier to understand. Final Cut Pro. I used this to edit my footage. It gave me access to lots of visual effects, for example when I created a kaleidoscope effect and layered it over the footage. It made the plain footage much more visually interesting. Here I could also adjust the colour and pace of the footage to change the emotion of the clip for the viewer. I found it more easy to use it this time round as I had used it previously. iPhone. I used my phone to record my footage, so it played a huge part in creating my product. With it being new digital technology, it meant that it was easy to transport and meant that I could film anywhere. It was a really useful piece of technology and was easy to upload footage from and record on it, as I am very familiar with using it. Blogger helped me to organise my products and ancillary products and helped me to keep track of my work. I find it very interesting to use and think it's a great way of presenting my work in a flowing way. It also allowed me to upload various formats of software, so it didn't restrict me in any way. SlideShare, Piktochart and Prezi. These are the softwares that I accessed off the internet. They were brilliant for making my blog stand out and helped avoid making my blog text heavy. They were rather simple to use, but were mainly new to me. However, I enjoyed using them and made my work look varied. PowerPoint. I used this a lot to edit pictures I took off the internet, such as cropping and rotating them and saving them to upload to my blog. I also used this to upload to SlideShare whilst presenting my initial ideas to the class and for my evaluation. iMac. I used this as it was provided by college. They included the software such as Final Cut Pro and Adobe software. Without the iMacs, I feel I would have been restricted to the software I could have used and feel it wouldn't have looked professional if I hadn't had access to it. Finally, Adobe Fireworks. This gave me access to high-quality professional software. It allowed me to manipulate my images during creating my ancillary products and let me fade and merge them together and also make them transparent to look more visually interesting.